Hi there everyone, welcome back. In this video I will let you know about how to find your computer specifications in Windows 11. So let's get started. Alright, first of all, what you need to do, you need to go to your Windows File Explorer. Alright, as you can see, here is the File Explorer. Then from here you need to tap on this PC. Then you need to right click on your mouse and here you can see properties. Just tap on the properties option. And now you can see your specification, device specification, as well as the Windows specification. Alright, if you need more options like your Windows or system information, then you need to search it on to the taskbar, search on system information. As you can see, here is the system information. Tap on it, and as you can see, here is your system information, and here you can see here is the system information that holds all the information of your specification as well as the system's informations. So you can search it on that way. So that's the only way you can search it on. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.